How to send money from Skrill to bank account. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I would show you how you can transfer money from Skrill to bank account. So it is very simple. Note that it is simple. Just ensure that you watch to the end. Alright. Now the first step is to log in into your Skrill account by opening the application on your device. So once you have it opened and you're on your page, you can see three icons at the top part of the screen, which include add, transfer, exchange, and by the time you scroll down, you'll see other options as well. So to transfer or to send money, all you need to do is to click on transfer, and then you will be brought to the transfers page where you can see different options. You can see send to yourself, that is send money from your balance to your card or bank account, send Skrill to Skrill, international money transfer, and then request money. So our focus is on to send money to bank account, so just select it like that. And once you've selected it, you will be brought to the send yourself page, and then you wait for it to load. Currently, I am having a poor internet connection, so this page is not loading. But for you, once you click consent to self, you will see some on-screen instruction. You'll be asked to select bank account. You'll be asked to select the amount. Just go ahead, follow through, read the on-screen instructions, enter the amount, ensure the payment method, that is from your wallet, and enter the bank account, and then click on confirm. Note that you'll be charged some fee. Ensure you select it and make the transfer, and then just like that, the money you have in your wallet or the amount you've entered in the slated field will be transferred from your wallet into your bank account. So that is how it works. That is how you can send money from Skrill to bank account. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.